Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today we're not doing an update. We're going to do something with this guy. This is one of the panels that we actually 3D printed. I think it's serial number 2. And then it's covered both sides in 2 layers of carbon fiber. So what we're going to try to see do is if we can actually break it. So stay tuned and give. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to crush it. And you can see it breaks right about here in this corner. I tell you, it's still pretty strong. But we can deform it quite a bit. Let's get a hammer. So let's try this. So you can see it kind of dented it in, but man, if I did this with a regular 3D print, this thing would have shattered already. So that's pretty impressive. You can see some cracking where I struck it, but you can also see that this stuff is pretty tough. Let's hit it on a corner here. And there you go. We finally have breakage through the carbon fiber. So you can see that this piece, although very strong, is still prone to breakage, but I gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed with how strong this is. And that survived really well. So, yes, I'm getting ready to throw this away because I'm running out of space. But I just kind of wanted to, as before I threw it away, to show you guys how these things kind of hold up. And you can see that these materials are pretty tough because no actual 3D print would survive this kind of abuse. Now, it didn't necessarily survive, but it takes a lot of punishment. So I'm pretty impressed with how much impact these things can handle. So anyway, again, non-scientific, but good demonstration of kind of what we can expect when the car hits something or we get some damage. We'll get this kind of, when the car gets damaged, we'll get this kind of abuse, and these are kind of the results we can expect. So as you can see, this whole part hasn't like shattered and fallen apart. It's retained most of its structure. You can see under here some of the 3D prints have separated from one another in the epoxy. The carbon fiber broke, but all in all, it's still in one piece. So that's impressive. Anyway, thanks for watching this short snippet. Hope you guys had fun, as much fun as I did. And we'll see you next time. Bye.